Yeah, good evening. S- New features in Java 8. How many features are there Java 8? Java 8 features. How many are there? 10. First one, new date and time API. Next, default methods in interface. Next, static methods in interface. Next, functional interfaces. Next, add functional interface annotation. Next, lambda expressions. Next, predefined functional interfaces. Next, method references. Next, constructor references. Next, okay, 10. Out of 10, how many completed? 7. These two also completed yesterday. Say, suppose if the method is like this, it is first category method. It is first category method with arguments with return value. Then what is a lambda? A comma B arrow A plus B. Clear now? Suppose void add int A int B. It is second category method. Then what is a lambda? A comma B arrow system dot out dot println A plus B. Okay. Third category. If the method is like this, what we have to write? Brackets arrow any one number. If the method is like this, then what we have to write? Brackets arrow system dot out dot println hello. 4 categories of methods you studied. Okay. After this, this lambda expressions how to write you studied. Now with this knowledge, any method you can write now. Okay. Predefined functional interfaces. Most important functional interface are given. Now one is function T comma R generic type. Second one predicate. Then only T. Third one consumer. That is T. Fourth one supplier. That is T. In this function interface, what is the method name? Method is there? Apply. Apply T. Like this method is there. Predicate, what is the return method is there? Boolean test T T. Like this. Consumer, what is the method is there? Void test is there? Accept. Accept. Accept T T. Now supplier T get. Okay. Now you observe. It is first category. It is first category. It is first category. But here return type fixed boolean. But here return type not fixed. That is only difference. Now function predicate almost the same. Only here return type is fixed boolean only. But here return type can be any type. Okay. This is second category. It is third category. So like this only lambda expressions. Okay. Same. Now, if you want to write an example for function, what we have to write? For this one, I want to write lambda. What we have to write? Give me answer. Function, integer, f equal to, it will return only, now one parameter is there, t, arrow, any logic applicable. It takes one parameter, it returns one parameter. Any logic applicable. Can I write only t? Valid. It takes t, it returns t. Like that also valid. Suppose if you want any logic, you can write like this also. Cube. Okay. How to call? Int x equal to f dot apply one number. System dot out dot println x. But function interface in which package? Java dot util dot function dot star. It is function. File, save. Java C demo.java. Java demo. Okay. Now, suppose if you want to write for predicate, what we have to write? Give me answer. Predicate, integer, p equal to t, arrow, any one logic, it should return boolean. Return type boolean fixed, no? It should return boolean. Now what do you write? Suppose can I write like this? Yes. Then how to call? Boolean b equal to p dot test. One number you can pass. Okay. Now if it is true is even number. False means odd number. Okay. If b, then system dot out dot println even number. Else odd number. Okay. Say file, save, compilation, execution, odd number. Okay. If you want to write for consumer, what we have to write? Consumer, integer, c equal to t, arrow, system dot out dot println t. Okay. Next, how to call? C dot accept one number. See, file, save, compilation, execution. Okay. Now supplier, if you want to write supplier, integer, yes, t. Now any arguments are there? No. So brackets, arrow, one number you can write. Then how to call? Integer x equal to s dot get, system dot out dot println x. File, save, compilation, execution. Clear, no? So how to write lambda expressions for each category you studied, as well as predefined function, functional interface is there. How to call? That is also you studied. Okay. Now we'll apply in the Stream API. Before going to Stream API, next feature, method references, constructor references. Now next heading, method references. This feature allows to create a reference to an instance method and class method. This feature allows to create a reference to an instance method and class method. It is an alternative. It is an alternative to lambda expressions. Supplier, it returns only one particular type. If you write integer, integer. If you write float, float. If you write character, character. String, string. One only. One only returns. Two not possible. So like that many are there. Many interfaces. Just so 4 examples are given. Here 4 examples are given. Here 4 examples are given. Many interfaces are there. With this knowledge you can do it. Okay. This feature allows to create a reference to an instance method and class method. It is an alternative to lambda expression. It is an alternative to lambda expression. So one more way, one more concept here. If you are getting confusion with lambda, you can use this. It is a little bit simple as compared to that. See, suppose here interface test at functional interface. Okay, here void show. Now how to write lambda for this? Test t equal to brackets arrow system dot out dot println hello. Next t dot show. That's it. Okay. Now this is already you studied. This is, it will print hello. Okay. Now what's the new concept is, method references new concept is, suppose demo d equal to new demo. What is d? Which reference? Object reference. Object reference. Can I create like this? Can I write like this? Yes or no? In this line, object created. That object referred by D. In second line, is it object created? No. That object only referred by another variable, another reference. Now, how many objects are there? 1. How many references are there? 2. D and D2. D is also reference to same object. D2 also reference to same object. Like that, what I am going to do now, I'll create one method. Here I'll create one method. Void some other name, display. I'll write. Some other name I'll write, display. Now system.out.println hello. I'll write. Okay. What I'll do is, instead of writing this lambda, what I want to say, this display method should be referred by show. Like that I'll assign. How to assign? See, demo d equal to new demo. Here d 2 colon symbols display. If I write, what is the meaning is this one? One method only, that is display. that method referred by show. That method referred by show. Here, actually here, how many objects created in first line? One object created. That object referred by D. The D assigned to D2. Here, this meaning is nothing but display method assigned to show. Now, show means display. Reference. Now, if I run file, save, compilation, execution. So, here, actually, which method definition we ought to write? Show method definition we ought to write. But what I written? Display. Display method referred by show. Okay, I created reference to display. This is method reference. Write it. Advanced Java, Oracle, both also you can learn. Now listen the class first. Say, program to demonstrate instance method reference. Program to demonstrate instance method reference. Program to demonstrate instance method reference. Now, here display method referred by show. Demo object referred by D. Demo object referred by D2. Like that, display method referred by show. Now show also, now D also, D2 also same, no? D also same, D2 also same. Now show also same, display also same. Like this if you write. That is syntax, 2 colon symbols. Program to demonstrate instance method reference. Actually, which method we have to override? Show method. In previous programs, the show method place lambda expression I written. Lambda expression. Now show method place what I written now? Display method. What I am saying, display means show. Show means display. That meaning. Now display method referred by show. If we call show, which method is going to call? Display method. That means what I am saying, show method definition only this one. I am saying. Then it goes to that place that will execute. Okay. Is it over? Suppose If it is static method, suppose, if it is static method, then object no need to create. Here D place demo. It is static method reference. Class method reference. File, save. Compilation, execution. Okay, write this one. Now here also display method referred by show. Here also display method referred by show. So what we are doing is the definition other place we are writing, that is referred by this one. That's it. Understood what we did? So actually show method we have to override. We are not overriding. Without overriding only that anonymous class we used. Later lambda expression we used. Now another method we are defining. What we are saying, show means display. That is I am showing. Okay. Next, constructor references. Constructor references. This feature allows to create a reference to a constructor. This feature allows to create a reference to a constructor. This feature allows to create a reference to a constructor. So here method reference, here constructor reference. This feature allows to create a reference to a constructor. See, in the place of static method, what I'll do is demo. What is this now? It is constructor. Now, here, actually, what you observe, I'll remove this one. Actually, what we have to write here, anonymous class you can write. First anonymous class you studied. Anonymous class you can write. Instead of anonymous class, lambda expression you can write. Now, instead of lambda expression, this constructor you can write. So, what you can do is here, demo 2 colons, new. This is constructor assigned. Here, if you write demo, if you write demo and method name, display, I written. That is method name. But now method name is not there. That is also demo. That is a new keyword. If you write like this constructor assigned to show. So actually test T means right side one class created, you studied, no? That show method reference. See? See, file, save. Compilation, execution. It is consider reference. So, instance method reference means object reference, 2 colon symbols, after that method name. Class method reference nothing but class name, 2 colon symbols, method name. Consider reference nothing but class name, 2 colon symbol, new. Okay, write this one. Over. See. Now I'll ask one more question. Give me answer. Integer add int A int B. Now I'll remove this constructor. I'll remove this one. I want to write lambda. What we have to write? Brackets A comma B. Arrow A plus B. Okay, it is lambda. Instead of lambda, I want to write another method, the method I want to refer. Here, integer, one method named sum, which will take integer A, integer B. Now, here, integer C equal to A plus B. Okay. Now integer C equal to A plus B. Return C. This one I want to assign. How to assign? First you have to create demo D equal to new demo. Next D, 2 colon symbols. After that sum. How to call? What you are write? Int x, return type is there. Int x equal to t dot. What you are write? Add 2 numbers I am passing. System dot out dot println x. Now which method I am calling? Add method. Any add method definition is there? No. Add method meaning? Add method nothing but sum. That is reference. Actually we have to write add method. I written other method. What I am saying, add means sum. Now sum is going to be called. File, save. Compilation, execution. Now suppose this sum method I don't want to write. Here already in an integer class sum method is there. Here this sum method I want to assign. Is it possible? What we have to write? That is static method. What you have to write? Here demo not required now. Here not, this is not required. What you have to write? Integer class 2 colons sum. That's it. Static method reference. But now sum method in which class? Integer class. That integer class sum method. Okay. File, save. Complete. See. Okay. See, if this type of interface also predefined is there, that is also no need, right? No. That is there. Many are there. Write this example also. Here you write. I'll explain. Write it. Here, which method referred by which method? Here, sum method referred by add method. Add. Here sum method of integer class referred by add. Over. So anonymous method you can, anonymous class you can write. One more way lambda expression you can write. One more way references you can write. Method reference or constructor reference. Is it over? See, yeah, once again I'm explaining. Listen here. Actually, what we have to write: A comma B, arrow A plus B. A comma B, arrow A plus B. It is lambda expression. But instead of lambda expression, you can write other method. Other method already defined in the integer class. For adding this method. This method is static method. Static method means class name you have to write, 2 colon symbols you have to write, sum you have to write. So class name integer, 2 colon symbols, sum. That means instead of writing logic, logic is there in that method, in that class I'm saying. Then JVM goes to that place, that is executed. So actually we have to write the logic here. We have to write the logic here. A comma B, arrow A plus B. We have to write. Instead of writing this one, logic is present in integer class in some method. Then it goes to integer class, it takes some method that is executed, you will get output. But actually which method I am calling here? Add method. Add method is the reference of some method. That is the reason it is going to call. Is it clear? Now these all where we use in real time. Now you will see Stream API, collections. Next, Stream API. It is used to process collections of objects. If you want to perform any operation on collections of objects, we can go for Stream API. What are the operation we can perform? We'll see. Java.util.stream package. In this stream interface, it contains several useful methods. That are used to perform operation on collection elements. It contains several useful methods that are used to perform operations on collection elements. A list of methods I'll give the methods. Say Java P, java.util.stream.stream. Methods are there. Here many methods are there. This interface will take consumer. It is super means subclass also you can pass. Okay, just consumer I'll write. Consumer already studied. Second one, filter, map. Write this one. It is just I'll write predicate. I'll remove this part. You already know predicate. Third, it will take function. These all there. If these all are present, you'll get a confusion. That's what I'm writing like this. Last one, reduce. Filter, map, reduce. Useful. Write this one. One minute. Actually, this is required. Write this one now. For each filter, map, reduce. What are these? Predefined functional interfaces. Again, that is no need to explain. Already over. I'll explain. Now just I'll pass as a parameter. I'll show you. Consumer, predicate, function, binary operator. These are predefined functional interfaces. Predefined functional interfaces. Listen with more concentration to understand this all. Okay. Listen with more concentration. With this, many things we can do in real time. With this only 4. For each filter, map, reduce. Many possibilities are there. Many operations we can perform. It or now. First one, for each method. It is used to iterate elements of a collection. It is used to iterate elements of a collection. It is used to iterate elements of a collection. Now it is not for each loop, for each method. Method name for each. Now I'll show you example. Any one collection we have to take. Okay. Already collections is studied. I'll go for array list. AL dot add. AL dot add. Now, if you want to iterate these elements, if you want to iterate, we used iterator interface. You studied iterator interface, list iterator interface. Okay. Instead of iterator interface, list iterator interface, we can go for this stream API. But first of all, we have to create a stream reference. Java P java.util.array list. In this, one method is there for getting stream. One minute. In array list class, you observe. Stream method not available here. 1 minute. Array list super interface, abstract list, abstract collection, which is collection super for all. This method, if you call, you'll get a stream. For calling stream API, stream reference required. So method name also stream. Return type also stream. Now, how to call this method? Give me answer. Method name stream. It is return type stream. This stream is method name, small letter. This stream is yes, capital letter. Now, what we are trying? Stream, which will take integer s equal to, that is array list super interface. So, array list dot stream. Now, this stream is method. This stream is, what is this? Interface. Because already given here. Interface. But this stream interface in this stream package. Again, package name also stream. So, you have to import java.util.star. This is for array list. Import java.util.stream for stream interface. Okay. Now, Now you observe here. This stream method available in collection interface. It is a collection interface. Okay, this is also write it better. Java.util.collection. Method. It is default method. Stream. T. Stream. Note. So for getting stream, we have to call stream method. For getting stream, we have to call stream method. Once if you get a stream, you can access these methods. See, I'm calling which method? Stream method. Return type is stream. This is available in collection interface. It is super interface. Because all collections super class no, super interface no. You observe here. Array list reference dot stream. Then stream. Stream created. With this S. With this S. Can I call these methods? Yes or no? Yes. How to call? For each. What you write? Yes dot for each. For each method, what it will take? Consumer. Consumer logic you studied, no? What do you write? Consumer. Integer. C equal to T arrow system dot out dot println study no. See, actually what we required is here these methods we have to call. These methods in which interface? These methods in which interface? Which interface? Stream interface. For calling these methods, stream reference required. This stream method I'm calling, you'll get a stream reference. Okay. Now here you observe. With array list reference, I called stream method. We got a stream. With this stream, we can call for each method. But for each method parameter is consumer. Consumer logic I written here. Now, can I pass C here? Yes or no? Now iterated. See, file, save. Now consumer available in another package. Import java.util.function. Okay. File, save. Compilation, execution. Iterated no? Now, what is C? What is C? Consumer reference. What is this one? Lambda expression. Now, instead of writing here, can I write here lambda? Yes or no? This is called functional programming. Actually, what we have to pass? Consumer reference you have to pass. What I am passing? Lambda expression I am passing. Lambda expression nothing but anonymous method. Method I am passing. Method I am passing to another method. That is called functional programming. I given already definition. Functional programming means function can be passed as a parameter to other function. Function can return other function. That is. See, here with this class, with this method, stream reference created. Stream reference dot for each method I am calling. Here consumer logic I passed. Now wherever consumer is there, this is you can write lambda expression. What purpose? Printing purpose. Consumer printing purpose you can use. See, file, save. It is compilation, it is execution. Okay. Now what you can do is you can write here program to demonstrate for each method of stream interface. Program to demonstrate for each method of stream interface. Now, in this case, this interface not required. This package not required. I removed consumer. Consumer place directly lambda expression are written. That's what that package not required. We can remove also. Now also works. File, save. Compilation, execution. Because consumer I removed. Directly I passed lambda. Over. See, if you want to print elements, this is the way, new way. Okay. Next method, filter. Filter method, second method. It is used to filter the elements of a collection based on predicate interface logic. It is used to filter the elements of a collection based on predicate interface logic. It is used to filter the elements of a collection based on predicate interface logic. Now say this method we have to call. This method we have to call. How to call? You have to give the answer. Now 1 minute. First I'll remove this. Okay. Up to here same. Program to demonstrate filter method. Now don't first listen. First don't write. Listen. After getting this stream. Now give me answer. I want to call this method. What is the return type? What is the return type? Then what you have to write? Stream integer. Next s2 equal to s2 equal to what is the method name? Filter. What it takes? Predicate. Now here s dot filter. It will take parameter predicate. Predicate, how what we written? Predicate integer p. What we written? Lambda expression we have to write, no? What we have to write? Like a or b something, t also, a b also. A arrow. Now I want to filter even numbers. I want to filter even numbers. What do you write? A modulo division 2 double equal to 0. Now that p can I pass here? Yes or no? Yes or no? Instead of writing like this here, what do you write? A arrow A modulo division 2 double equal to 0. Now this s2 dot we have to print outright for each. What do you write? Consumer logic. Consumer logic you have to write, no? What do you write? A arrow here what is happened in this stream, all elements will be there. In this stream only even numbers printed. Say file, save. Okay. Write this one. Understood or not? Shall I explain once again? See. First of all, these all elements we have to pass to stream. These all elements we have to pass to stream. How to pass to stream? Stream integer s1 equal to array list reference dot stream. Now in this stream, how many elements are there? 5 elements are there. But I want to filter even numbers. S1 dot filter. But S1 dot filter return type, what is there? Stream. Stream integer S2. It will take what? It will take parameter? Predicate. Predicate logic directly can write, no? What do you write? A arrow A dot A arrow A percentile to double equal to 0. If you want to print for each, just now you studied, no? What do you write? S2 dot for each. Now consumer logic. A system dot out dot println A. See, file, save. Okay. Write this one. So programming complete new style is there, no? New style, but lots of practice required, then only you'll get it. Today you will understand. After 1 week, if I ask, you'll forget. It will be happen. If you practice, you'll remember. So in this line, all elements are passed to stream. In this line, only even numbers are passed to stream. In this line, all even numbers are printed. Now 70 to 84, 2 even numbers. Now you can filter even numbers, you can filter odd numbers, you can filter greater than 70, you can filter a less than 70, you can filter greater than 40, less than 40, whatever you want you can write. Predicate logic you have to write. Whichever logic you write, that is applicable. Now think yourself and give me answer. Last two lines. Line number 16, line number 17. I want to make it as one line. Possible or not possible? Line number 16, line number 17. I want to make it a one line. What do you write? S1 dot filter A arrow A modulo division 2 double equal to 0. After that dot for each A arrow. Okay. Now 15th line, this line I want to write as a one line. Possible or not? What do you write? AL dot stream dot this one you can write remaining. So the three lines we can write as one line only. It is also valid, no? See, I'll remove this. I'll place. You observe. File, save. Compilation, execution. See, the three lines I written as one line now. Okay? Write this one. Just line this line only, write it. Or write it this line. The three lines equivalent to this line. Actually here 6 lines we written, no? That is one line we can write. Java 9. Java 9. One line only can write. Java 9 feature, that is. That is tomorrow class. Is it over? Now it is filter. Map. Map I want to write. Map. Two more functions are there, no? Map, reduce. Okay. Java 9 feature tomorrow I'll explain. Now. Is it over? Next map. Note. Map function. Map method. It is used to map each element of a collection based on function logic. It is used to map each element of a collection based on function logic. It is used to map each element of a collection based on function logic. Is it over? So each element you can map with some logic. Suppose while teaching I explained iterator time, adding 5 bonus marks, 500 bonus salary. I explained, no? Like that each element you can map. I want to add 5 bonus marks. Suppose I want to add 5 bonus marks. Here filter place what you are right now? Map. Here map logic you are right. What is the map logic? Function logic. Function logic what you are right? Function interface you study, no? that how many parameters, how many return type? One parameter, one return type. So a arrow a plus 5. A arrow a plus 5. Now 83 plus 5. It is written. It is printed also. See. Map. File. Save. See. 88, 60, 77, 48, 40, 50, that is. See, 83 plus 5, 88, 45 plus 5, 50, 72 plus 5, 77, like that. Alright, this one. Just last one more is there, reduce. With that I'll stop. So filter, predicate logic, map, function logic, reduce, binary operator logic. Binary operator also an interface. Okay, that logic. Like addition, subtraction, multiplication, binary operator. That logic. Now, is it over? So filter and map returns stream only. That is the reason we can write like this. But reduce will not return stream. See. Next, last one, reduce method. It is used to reduce the elements of a collection based on binary operator logic. It is used to reduce the elements of a collection based on binary operator logic. It is used to reduce the elements of a collection based on binary operator logic. You observe, previously filter method returns stream, map method returns stream, but it is not going to return stream. It is going to return integer. Integer if you write integer, float if you write float, string if you write string. Okay. So this is now we cannot write. This is we cannot write. It is going to return one value. So here reduce. Here reduce method will take t, one integer value, one binary operator logic. Return type also integer. So integer x equal to here one logic something 0, binary operator logic I am writing a plus b. What will be happen is you will write sum equal to sum plus 0, sum plus a, like that you will write now some logics. 2 to first, this is 0. First a value 0, b value 83. A value 0, b value 83. Then 83 comes. Now a value 83. Next to 45. 83 plus 45. That result is stored in a. Again 72. That result plus 72. That result stored in a. At last that return. Now it will calculate the sum like. See. File. Save. All elements sum calculated. See total. That is reduce. Here if you want to multiply, what will write generally? Here 1. If you write 0, what will happen? At last 0 comes. Here 1 will write. Here what will write? A star B. That's it. Okay. Write this one. Program to demonstrate reduce method of stream interface. Yeah, I'll explain tomorrow also. See, tomorrow, again this is map reduce, this all I'll explain. Java 9, Java 10, Java 11. If possible, tomorrow is the last class. Otherwise, Monday. Remaining features, 12 to 18, one video is there. I'll share in Google Classroom. Already recently I have taken seminar 12 to 18. Okay, recently myself I have taken one seminar 12 to 18 features. That is video I'll share in a Google Classroom. The link, that video you can watch. Okay. 12 to 18 features video I'll share. 9, 10, 11 tomorrow I'll teach. If possible, tomorrow is the last class. Otherwise, Monday. Okay. Advanced Java on 25th. Same time. New Advanced Java. Okay, we'll see continuation tomorrow. Okay, we'll see continuation tomorrow.